Hey guys, so in today's video I will be showing you all how to pluck, style, and manipulate this unit. Alright, so I didn't do a lot of steps when it came to styling this unit. I wanted to keep it as simple and as easy as possible, so make sure you guys stay tuned. This wig is from Yolissa's hair company. This is what it looks like freshly washed. So I do have to note this. I had to wash this unit straight out of the package because it has such a strong chemical odor to it. So I did that, and I also bleached the knots. I'm showing you guys how it looks up close. This is the parting. This is a closure. I think this is a 5x5 closure. I have all the specs down below, but you can still get the versatility of a frontal with a closure. Okay, some people feel like you cannot like style a closure how you want to, or it's not going to look natural, and it is. I get a lot of parting space, as you guys can see, and it looks really good. So I'm just trying to see where I want my part. I think I'm just going to do a middle part. I'm going in and I'm plucking, I'm pulling the inside of my part. I don't like to pluck it because it could rip the lace, and it also, I feel like it widens it a little too much. So the pull and pluck method is my absolute favorite method. I know you guys see those knots. I am going to go in and fix those. I'm going to show y'all a quick and easy way to fix them, okay? So y'all know it just wouldn't be me if I didn't go in and pluck on my head. I mean, I don't know if this unit was pre-plucked or not, but y'all know I gotta pluck it to my liking so it can look even more natural. I'm going in and I am thinning out my baby hair because I'm definitely doing baby hair. I love baby hair. And the wig did come with a few little sparse ones, but I still like to kind of make my own. So I'm making sure everything is pretty flat, as you guys can see. Now I'm going in and cutting off my lace. Take your time with this because literally you cannot get the lace back, and you don't want to ruin a good wig that you just paid all that money for, okay? So just a little bit at a time. I like to kind of nick at it to make it like kind of jagged so it won't be super neat or straight. I am using a water soluble adhesive. This has got to be that I'm using. My favorite. I don't really like glue. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you all know. So I'm laying down the wig, and then I'm going to put a scarf on, but I don't have that part to show you guys. The scarf that I put on for probably like 10-15 minutes. So that's what it looks like, looking like, nice and flat. I know the knots look horrible. So I'm going to go in with some of this black hair dye by Adore, and I'm going to go in with a little spoolie, and that's what I use to fix the knots. If you have a small brush, then a small brush will work as well, but you want to be really careful not to get anything on the actual lace because it's not going to come off and it's going to look all messy and spotty. Alright, you want like a clean scalp looking lace. Now I'm going in and doing my baby hairs. Y'all, I know these particular baby hairs are popular right now, but I absolutely hate them. Like, look, they look all lopsided. So I am going to be changing the baby hairs in the next clip because I just don't like these. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I'm just going to do my signature the way that I normally like them. These just kind of look unnatural, and they give me like wing vibes. And I just like these baby hairs better. So now I'm just manipulating the wig. In the next clip, I'll be telling you guys a little bit about actually what's actually in my spray bottle. It's literally what's been in my spray bottle all along. And now I'm just diffusing the hair so I can get a nice natural look. In the next clips, I will be breaking down this wig and giving you guys the specs. Make sure you all stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. This wig does come from Yolissa hair company. I will have all of these specs and everything about the company down below. So I did get a few goodies in my bag, like an elastic band, some lashes, a edge brush, a little the little edge wrap, a wig cap, and also another like little edge wrap. Okay, so little gifts and things like that may vary depending on
your package or orders and stuff like that. Okay, so anywho, let's get into this wig. So this wig is, I think this is 20 inches. I will make sure I have everything down below. It is a natural color. So what I did straight out of the bag is I did go in, and I think I still have the clip when I first took everything out of the bag initially, but I did go in and I bleached these knots because the knots did not appear to be bleached at all. So I bleached them, and this is what it is looking like. So this is a closure, guys, and as you can see, I get a lot of parting space. I believe this is a 5x5. And like I said, I get a lot of parting space. You can wear this in various different styles. You can wear it on the side, you can wear it in the middle. You can do a lot with it. It did come with like some little sparse baby hairs. So I just kind of styled them as I went. Now, one thing that I will say about this wig, okay, I'm gonna keep it 1000, is it smelled so bad. Okay, it smells super bad when I got it. If you guys have this type of problem with your wigs, I will link a video down below that will kind of help you with taking care of that smell, because it was horrible. Oh my god, it was horrible. So after I bleached it, I did that method to, you know, get it to smell pretty nice. I didn't put a whole lot on the curls. Y'all know this goes back to like 5-6 years ago. I always use my handy dandy spray bottle. In here, all I have is water, some kind of cheap conditioner, and I went in with a little bit of grapeseed oil, just a few droplets. You don't need much grapeseed oil, and I kind of let this hair do its thing. It is like, I would say 90% dry right now. It is not 100% dry, but it still looks pretty good. With curly hair, wavy hair, whatever you want to call it, I've been preaching the same old song. It does require maintenance, so be prepared if you want some popping curls to at least wet it, comb it out, and do some maintenance to it. Okay, have you like a curly hair regimen whenever you have wavy or curly hair. Okay, it does require maintenance for sure. So anyways, oh, and I would say that curly wavy wigs are like beginner friendly, because you do have to kind of keep it up if you want juicy curls. Okay, if you don't want to look all dry and crazy. This hair is super full. I absolutely love it, but it still has like that natural density. It's full, but it's not too full to where you look like a lion. Okay, so you know that if you do keep your hands in it like me and do like this, it will continue to puff up a little bit, you know, and it'll grow a little bit. I flat ironed the top, as y'all can see, and I plucked a little bit. I don't care if wigs come pre-plucked or not, I'm still gonna pluck a little bit. Okay, I like to pluck on my head to get a more natural look and also a more natural feel. So that's what I did. It took the bleach really well. Okay, I did go in and I kind of corrected the knots a little bit, because I had like some spots from where the bleach kind of seeped through a bit. So that's when you guys see me go in with a little bit of my Adore. Okay, so anywho, y'all, as far as like recently, the hair is doing pretty well. I'll be sure to come back to you guys with like some updates on this hair after wearing it for a while. I'm kind of putting it through the ringer. I'll let you guys know kind of how it's going along, but I absolutely love wavy hair. I love curly hair. I think this is a type of wig or a hairstyle that'll never go out of style. Like, I feel like everyone will always love the quote-unquote wet look. Okay, it's just in, it's popping, and it will always be. And yeah, I really like the wig. Let me know what you guys think about it. School has started back, the holidays are coming up, and I think that this wig would be perfect as a gift. All right, so I think that's it. The specs and everything will be down below. Check the company out. The shipping was fast, and also the company was really sweet. So make sure you hit them up, and yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all in my next video.